My name is Kat, and I started Student Reach in junior year, mainly because my mother told me to, and it really helped me to go through everything. I was going through a lot during that time. We found out my father was doing some not very okay things. Went from having our giant house with all 9 of my brothers and sisters all living together and getting to see my nieces and nephews every day to just me and my mom making it on our own. It just definitely helped me a lot. It just helped me learn to have a much more positive outlook on everything and remaining positive and finding healthy outlets.
Is there any final words you want to say to any of our donors or anything like that? This is your opportunity.
Keep giving, because this program needs everywhere.